Tell me. I want you to tell me all about it. Make sure the sun ain't in the lens now. Yeah, like that. Now, what is it you're gonna let me do when I get home with you? Tell it. What is it you said you're gonna let me do when we get home tonight?
What did you say?
What did you say? Yes, honey. I'm gonna let you. What? What?
I don't know.
You do know. Why are you trying to play like that?
Use your imagination.
I don't need to imagine it, nothing. I'm gonna do that. What tonight?
Doo-dah, doo-dah.
Oh, that was an ambulance. Huh?
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm gonna get you tonight. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna do the Bruley. Truly.
Yeah, do the cackling noise. Do the cackle.
No, I'm not just gonna do the cackling noise. The cackling noise itself is